Hey there, this morning I'm making Brie En Croute, which is just a chunk of brie wrapped in pastry dough. I put a little bit of homemade pepper jelly on there. It's fairly good. This is just a quickie one. If you don't have time to make dough, just get a Pillsbury roll out pizza dough or pie dough, pastry or whatever. Roll it out and throw some cheese on there, seal it up with a little bit of pepper jelly in it. Bake it in the oven 350 for about 30 minutes. That's good to go. When I was a kid, that people used to serve this a lot. I always thought it was some fancy thing because you'd only see it at parties. And it's not fancy. It's just cheese bread. I guess depending on where you are, that could be fancy, but not really. It's basically cheese toast. If you think about it, different kind of cheese. And it's just wrapped. It's a cheese hot pocket, I guess you could call it too. I made this jelly last year. This isn't from this year's bunch. That's from last year's bunch. So it should be good. Let me roll this. I already got the oven preheated. Let me roll this dough out and get it set up here. All right, there we go. Let me seal this thing up. Got your cheese on there, pepper jelly, and that's it. Fresh out of the oven. Got a little cheese and leaking out of the edge there, and a little jelly leaking out. Had some leftover dough there. But that's it.